Welcome back. So in this video we will continue with our object comparison. So in our previous video we discussed about comparable comparator, that kind of things. Right now what we are going to do is we are going with the Apache Commons. So Apache Commons, I guess most of the people using on their development most of the time, this kind of things. So how we will do that, everyone usually should know, right? So I don't need to explain more about Apache Commons, but I will explain the basic things that we are going to try in our code. So we are going to use ObjectUtils.notEqual and also compare method. That's actually the two methods available in Apache Commons for object comparison. So the first thing, we will add the dependencies. So this is the dependencies for Apache Commons, and we need to search for the latest version. So just search for Apache Commons Slang 3 Maven, then will automatically will show you the latest version. 3.1.3 will not be a latest version. I guess we will have something new on this time, probably a new release, and basically you need to find the latest version because some security vulnerabilities we can expect. So to avoid that, we need to use the latest one. So right now it's showing the latest one, 3.0, and usages it will show here, and most of the usages comes under 3.9. so it doesn't matter which one you are using, but you need to make sure, since it is a third-party library, you need to make sure is there any vulnerabilities or not. So there is some useful resources in the internet. It will help us to make sure that library is not vulnerable. Okay, so here the first thing first, we will go with the object comparison and the object comparison class, and we will use this ObjectUtils. It will automatically import the ObjectUtils. We are clicking here, it's saying like Apache Commons Slang 3312. So basically it's a easy way for the implementation. Okay, then here what I'm going to do is verify. We have some issues here. I put ObjectUtils is true. Now, okay, here is the thing. We need to know two objects are equal or not, right? So how we are trying to do that? New test, have the test one, and I'm using some value here. I provide test value itself, and I am trying to test this thing, this one. Okay, so basically it's almost same to the equals method in an object. So here it's false. So these two items are false. Why is false? You need to go here. You need to go here and you need to check what exactly we are testing here. So test value equals test value. Okay, test value, if it is test value equals test value, then it will work. So there is no equals methods here. If you are clicking on ObjectUtils and click not equal, it will be there. Okay, we are compare is there, not equal is there, and some other method is not empty. There is no equals method, so only the not equals method. So if you are giving something different here, then it will provide the true result. So not equal, we can yeah, we will get it. We can check the not equal here instead of equals. Equals, what exactly happened here? We have a equals one, that's in this ObjectUtils itself. An equals one, object equal to object to return true, and object equals, it's actually using the same equals. So we have some equals here, right? I mean equals. So this is the one they are using. So there is not that much difference here. Yeah, it's almost same actually. There is no. So here also there is one equals. It's actually deprecated one because it's almost same to the objective. So there is no difference. So this one is fine. That's giving us the not equal result. And the next method, ObjectUtils.compare method. Compare, probably I can explain that also in this video. I don't want to extend to another video for this particular library. Okay, here -1 because it's not equal. If you are providing the same input, should be okay here. Okay, here compare. By default the method has no ways by considering compare. First and second is negative. So test. So these two objects are equals. It's providing the negative one. Why it's negative? It's a problem. If I have something here and then also it's providing the negative one. Okay, if I am providing some here this is -1. If it is, this one is greater, and if it is greater, it's gonna happen. Then also, then it's going to be 1, and if it is equal, should be 0. So that's also 0. Yeah, so this is actually working for primitives. Objects, I don't know how it's implemented here. So it's actually comparing two objects. And yeah, when, in the sorting environment, how the things are working, in that exact way these things also work. So what exactly happened here? We are using the object, we'll take this one, we'll take our compare to method. So compare to method is based on get order, so that's why it's providing the same -1 result. If you have something that's already defined here, like test for test1. So test4 generator earlier, test1 later. You can try this one. Then test4 test1. Okay, test1. Here I am doing this one. This is -1, and need to just swap this one. Swap with test4 test1. Test1 test4. So right now it's 1, and if you are providing test1 test1, SQL will provide 0. Okay, variable. Okay, test1. Okay, so right now everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.